Today we're going to show you how to change a one-size Lalabye Baby diaper. This sweet little girl is 8 months old and 15 pounds. And as you can see, she has 2 blue snaps showing and she's got 2 rise snaps out. So I know exactly what size to set the next diaper to change her into. If you're already using cloth diapers, your diapers will already be set on the rise setting that you need, so you don't have to make this change every time you make a diaper change. But this makes it easy with the rainbow belly bands to tell your other caregivers what snaps should be showing or what snaps we're snapping our hip snap and our wing snaps to when we're making a diaper change. So to start changing the diaper, you simply unsnap both sides of your wing snaps and your hip snaps. And we're gonna use a cloth wipe to give this sweet little girl some privacy as we change her. Then we're going to take the diaper out from underneath her and we're gonna put a new diaper underneath. You wanna put the diaper so that the back is right above their butt crack. You don't want it to be way up on the back. This is not a disposable, so it does not need to be that high. Once you have the diaper underneath baby, you're gonna pull the front part up and between their legs so that it goes in between the creases of their bikini line. So you can squeeze this front part together, kind of like squeezing a taco, pull it up and through, and then wrap the front part of the belly panel around their side, and then pull the tab up and secure the hip snap first. On the orange is where she's at, and then the other 2 snaps will follow over, 2 over, so she's on green right now with both blues showing. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna pull the belly panel over, wrap it around her, and then pull the wings over and up. Snap it on orange on this side on the hip snap, and the tab snaps on green. Some babies will have one side on green and one side on yellow. It doesn't have to be even. It depends on what fits your baby best. Same for the hip snaps. Once the diaper's on, I'm gonna do a little bit of additional tucking to make it a nice, neat fit. Any extra fabric in between the rise snaps needs to be tucked up, and that includes the fabrics along the side of the rise snaps, so it's tucked up underneath the wing and along her bikini line. Because you can see there's no gaps along the leg, there's no gaps along the inside or at the back, and baby is all set. For more information, go to lalabyebaby.blog and visit us on our website, lalabyebaby.com.